Hello everyone, welcome to Selenium. Today's topic is visibility wait. In the previous session when I started about weights, I already discussed about wait conditions. So it is similar to the same, but I want to explain more about the visibility wait. Visibility wait is used to make Selenium wait until an element is present in the DOM, visible to the user. An element may exist in the DOM, may be found by Selenium, but still be hidden or not rendered. Visibility wait ensures Selenium interacts only when the user can actually see the element. This wait is commonly used for input fields, labels and messages, reading text, and typing values. Here in the sample script, Selenium finds the element, but it is not visible yet. So I am trying to interact now. It may fail. I am applying the visible wait. Selenium waits until the element becomes visible. That is, it will wait for 10 seconds. Means it will loop itself every 1 second. After that, the interaction becomes stable. This is how visibility wait stabilizes Selenium automation. I will run the script and see how it will work. If you say visibility wait applied successfully. So let me recap. Presence does not guarantee visibility. Visibility wait is ideal before typing or reading text. Many flaky tests are visibility problems. If you can't see it, Selenium shouldn't touch it. So I will close the application now.